Now, when we ended our last class, we did the midpoint. Okay. Now, today we have to take distance formula. Let's suppose if you have a line, like let's suppose there are 2 points. One point is A and the other point is B. 1 second, please. Okay, suppose we have a point A and a point B, and we know the coordinates of A. Let's suppose the coordinate of A are x1, y1, and the coordinate of B are x2, y2. And you are asked to find the length of the line AB. The length of the line will be actually the distance between A and B. So for that we use distance formula. Now distance formula is if you have to find AB. So the distance AB is represented by this one. AB will be equal to square root. It will be x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Very easy to remember. For example, if you write A first, so the coordinate of A you can say x1, y1, and B you are writing later on, so its coordinate you can say x2, y2. Suppose you have the coordinate of A minus 1, 3, coordinate of B are 2, 5, and you have to find the length of line AB. Let's suppose you are asked to find the length of line AB. Okay, if you are asked to find the length of line AB, so let's use this formula. This will give you, AB mod will give you the length of the line. So it is square root of, write the formula first, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now as A is first, so its coordinates say x1, y1, and the coordinate B say x2, y2. Now put the values here. When you will put the values, so it will become, what is the value of x2? x2 is 2. So 2 minus x1 is minus 1. It's square plus y2. y2 is 5 minus y1 is 3. It's square. So it will become minus and minus plus 2 plus 1 square plus 5 minus 2 is 2 square. So that will become, if you calculate, 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4. So it is 13 square root. That if you calculate, it will become 13 square root if you have to take, sorry, 1 second. Let me show you the calculator. Yes. So it will become 13 square root if you will take, it is 3.6055. 3.6055. That you will round to 3 significant, so will become 3.61. Okay. So this formula is called distance formula, and we use it to find the length of any line. If you know the coordinates, then using this formula we can find the length of the line. Okay. Now next we have here 1 second. Let me, okay, yeah. Now next is equation of line. Equation of line. The general form of equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. This is called equation of line. What is m? M is gradient of the line. C is y-intercept of the line. M is the gradient of the line and C is the y-intercept of the line. Y-intercept means where the line crosses the y-axis. Okay? Y-intercept means where it crosses the y-intercept. Now, it means if you have to find the equation of a line, you need only two things. You need the gradient and you need y-intercept. If you know these two things, then equation of a line you can easily find. Now, there can be different situation. You need to find equation of a line, you need either you need 2 points. If you have 2 points, so easily you can find the gradient and we can find the y-intercept also. Or you need 1 point and gradient. Okay, so then easily you will be able to find the equation of a line. Let's suppose if there is a line given like this way, y is equal to 3x plus 5. Now clearly if you compare, it is equation of a line. Now if I ask you what is gradient, if you have y equal to like this form, so the coefficient of x is gradient. So if I ask you what is gradient here, what is m here? The coefficient of x is 3, and what is c? Y-intercept, it is 5. Now let me say, if this is equation 2y plus 3x equal to 7, and you are asked find a gradient, question is find gradient and y-intercept. So what we have to do? First of all, you need to separate y, because you know it should be in your mind y is equal to mx plus c. This is equation of a line. Okay, so it means if you have to find the gradient, first you should make y separately. So from this equation, take 3x to the other side. It will become 2y equal to 7 minus 3x. Now divide both sides by 2 because you need y. Divide by 2. So 2 will cancel. Or in other words, take 2 on the other side, so it will divide everything. So now what this will become? This will become y equals to 7 over 2 minus 3 over 2x. So x term I can write first. It will become minus 3 over 2x plus 7 over 2. So now what is gradient here? If I ask you what is gradient, m is the coefficient of x, minus 3 over 2. What is c? Y-intercept, because y-intercept we represent by c. What is c? C is 7 over 2. So this will be the way to find the gradient and y-intercept. Then I give you one question here where you have to find the gradient and y-intercept. Question is 3y minus 2x equal to 5. So what you have to do is find gradient and y-intercept. Okay, please find this. Find the gradient and y-intercept and let me know. Yes, it is for the line. As we are saying line is always linear. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c represent a line. Line is always linear because if the degree will be 2, it will become a quadratic that will give you a U shape. So line is always in this shape. No, curve will have not like that. Curve will always be either quadratic or cubic. Mx plus c will always be line. It is line. Like for this one, I ask you that you have to find the gradient and y-intercept. So it means you will separate y first. Okay, let's separate y. Take 2x on the other side. It will become 3y equal to 5 plus 2x. Now we have to make y, so we need to get rid of 3. So divide both sides by 3. So it will become y equals to 5 over 3 plus 2 over 3x. Now in this situation, the coefficient of x is called gradient. It means your gradient is 2 over 3 because this is the coefficient of x. Whatever is multiplied with x, that is gradient. And c, the y-intercept is 5 over 3. That is okay. Now, one more thing you have to remember before moving to the worksheet question and for finding the equation of a line. The word is used like let's suppose if the two, 1 second, let me check if I have in the sheet or not. Let me open the sheet and then we will, just 1 second. It's better if we move to the exam style questions now. All right. Now this is a diagram. The question is saying show the two sides of a rhombus A, B, C, D. Write down the coordinates of A. This is point A. If I ask you what are the coordinates of A, so what are these? It means from A come down toward x-axis, x coordinate is 2. And what is y coordinate? If you go toward y-axis, where it will touch the y-axis at 3. So the coordinate of A are 2, 3. Okay. Sorry, -2. I'm sorry. It will be -2 because if it will come down, so it will reach to -2. So the coordinates are -2, 3. Okay. Then complete the rhombus on the grid. Completion of the rhombus, actually, what will be rhombus? For example, if you see in the rhombus, all sides will be equal. So right now, if you see, if you have to reach B, how you will reach B? 1 on the left and then 1, 2, 3, 4 step downwards. So in the same way, it means if you have to make a rhombus here, so rhombus can be go straight up. How many steps? Like from here, 1, 2, 3, 4 step up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 step up, and then 1 step left. That will become the point D. Okay, so then join this one. It will become a rhombus now. All sides will be equal and no angle will be 90 degree even. Because look, how we can reach from B to A. You need to go 1, 2, 3, 4 step up and then 1 step on the left. So same do with for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 step up and 1 step left. That will make D. Okay. So we completed the rhombus also. The next one is y is equal to mx plus c. Find the value of y when m is equal to -2, x is equal to -7 and c is equal to -3. It means you have to put these values here inside this one. Let me make it a little bigger. Yes. So put the value of m, x and c. So what y will become? Y will become -2 into x. X is -7 plus c. In place of c, write -3. So y will become -2 into -7 is 14. -3. 14 minus 3 is 11. So y is 11. Okay. Question number 3 is the point A has coordinate -4, 6. B has coordinates this. This is A and this one is B. Calculate the length of line AB. Now for length of line AB, what is the formula? We use the distance formula. According to distance formula, it will be x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now, as A is first, so say this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So what this will become? This will become, what is x2? x2 is 7 minus x1. x1 is minus 4, its square, plus y2. What is y2? Minus 2 minus y1. y1 is 6, its square. So that will become 7 minus minus, and minus will become plus 4 square, plus minus 2 minus 6 will become minus 8 square. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 square is 121 plus 64 square root. So that will become, if you will take 121 plus 64 square root, 185 square root, which will be 13.60. That can round to 3 significant, 13.6. Okay. So if you have to find the length of the line, then we will use the distance formula. Clear? Okay, the next one. Here the diagram shows a line which passes through these 2 points. These are the 2 points, 0, 3 and 4, 11. Find the equation of a line in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Now, even you can see, I told you to find the equation of a line, even if this diagram is not given, you need not to worry about that. What you need, basically you need m and c. We have 2 points, so gradient easily we can find. What will be gradient m? It will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you can say this is your x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Okay. So put the values here and find m first. So what you will have, 11 minus 3 over x2 is 4 minus x1 is 0. So that will become 8 over 4, which is 2. So it means m is 2. Now this value of m put in this one, because always your equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. Put it here. So equation will become y is equal to 2x plus c. Now for finding c, in this case, even the diagram is given. C is the y-intercept. It's given that it is 3. If it is not, if the diagram is not given and you want to know what is the y-intercept, from these points, put any one of the points here. Like say this is equation number 1. In this equation, either put this point or this point to get the value. Now, okay, let's say I'm going to take this point 0, 3. Okay, I mean this is x, this is y. So in this position, in this equation, in place of x, write 0, in place of y, write 3. So it will become 3 equal to 2 into 0 plus c. It will become, c will be 3. So this value of c put here. So what it will become? It will become y is equal to 2x plus 3. That is. Okay. Now for perpendicular and parallel, we will come later on. Right now, I'm just talking about the simple equation of line. Leave the perpendicular and parallel that we have to take in our tomorrow's class. So at this time, we will just talk about the simple one. Once again, I'm repeating, if you have 2 points, how you will find the equation of a line? First find gradient. Now yesterday our complete lesson was about the gradient. So using this formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It will be 11 minus 3 over 4. Okay. So we got m equal to 2. Okay. Now this value of m put here, it will become 2x plus c. Then you just need to find c. For finding c, use any point. Like I use 0, 3, you can use even 4, 11. Let's say if I use 4, 11, if I will use this point 4, 11, what will happen? Now this is x, this is y. So if in this place, this is your y is equal to 2x plus c. Okay. In place of y, write 11. In place of x, write 4. So what it will become? Take 8 on the other side, 11 minus 8. So c is still 3. C will not change. So you can use any one of the point to find c. Okay. About the perpendicular and parallel, inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss. So that's why I'm not going right now. Okay, next question is find the equation of a line passing through these 2 points. It's exactly same. First, let's say this is equation of line. We know always line is mx plus c. Line is mx plus c. Now, if this is your x1, y1 and this x2, y2, so what will be, first you need to find the gradient because you have 2 points and you want an equation of a line passing through these 2 points. So what it will be, write the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now what is y2? Y2 is 13 minus y1 9 over x2 minus 3 x1 5. So 13 minus 9 is 4 over minus 8. So it is minus 1 over 2. Okay, this is your m. Now this value of m put in this equation. It will become minus 1 over 2x plus c. Now we need to find c. For finding c, take any point. Okay, I'm going to take this point 5 9. Of course this is x, this is y. Okay, so write these values. Y is 9 minus 1 over 2 into x. What is x? X is 5 plus c. So what it will become? It will become 9 equal to minus 5 over 2 plus c. Shift this to the other side. So will become 9 plus 5 over 2 equal to c. Now 9 plus 5 over 2, what it will be? That is 23 over 2. So c is 23 over 2. So this value of c put here. So it will become y equal to minus 1 over 2x plus 23 over 2. That is your equation of line. Once again, if you have 2 points, first find gradient. After finding the gradient, write the value of gradient in this y is equal to mx plus c, because we know this is general equation of line. Then the second thing, to find c, put any one of the point in this equation. Like I use 5 9 and get the value of c. So that will give you the equation of line. Okay. Now next, 2 points are given and you are asked that find the coordinate of midpoint of line AB. Now how we will find the midpoint? Let's say M is the midpoint. So you know midpoint is always x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So you can say this as x1, y1 and this one x2, y2. So M will become, what is x1? X1 is 5 plus x2 is minus 2 over 2. Now y1 is 23 plus y2 is 2 over 2. So that will become 5 minus 2 is 3. So it's 3 over 2. And this one is 25 over 2. If you want to change into fraction, decimal change, otherwise no need. Part B is saying find equation of line AB. Now for equation of a line, use the same method. You have these 2 points. This is your A, 5 23, and this is B, minus 2 2. Make equation of a line, please. Take some time and try to make, just like we make here. Okay, write mx plus c, find gradient, then find c. So your time starts now to find the equation of a line, please. Yes, please. When you any one of you complete, let me know. Yes. Anyone who completed, please. All right. Now I will solve and you will see, please, whether you complete or not. So at least you will have the idea how you will find any equation of a line when 2 points are given. So first of all, say this is your equation of a line, mx plus c. Then first you need to find m. Now what is the formula for m? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So right, this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So write the values. It will be 2 minus 23 over minus 2 minus 5. So will become minus 21 over minus 7, which will be 3. So it means the value of m is 3. Put this value of m here. We will have y equal to 3x plus c. Okay. Now to find c, put any one of the point. Take any point. This time I'm going to take this one, minus 2, 2. We'll put it here and we'll find the c. This is x, this is y. Y is 2 equal to 3 into minus 2 plus c. Will become minus 6 plus c. So what we will get? We will get equal to 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8. Okay. This value of c you can put here. That will become your equation of a line, 3x plus 8. Okay. Then part C is saying show that the point 317 lies on the line. It is very easy to check. This is our line. We make the line already, 3x plus 8. To check whether a point lies on the line or not, what we have to do, I will put the point because this is your point. The point is this is x, this is y. I will put the point in this line. It will become 17 equal to 3 into 3 plus 8. 17 equal to 9 plus 8 is also 17. If both sides are equal, which is true, yes. So we will say this will prove that the point 317 lies on the line. If both sides will not be equal, then it means the point don't lie on the line. Okay. Once again, you made the equation of a line and you want to check whether a point is on the line or not on the line. So just put the point in the line. I mean, in place of x, write x, in place of y, write y. So you will get, okay. Now next, again 2 points are given. This is one of the point, this is another point. You have to find equation of a line. Can you please find? Let me know when you complete. Yes, please. If anybody complete, let me know. Good. Let's see everyone, please. And we have to find the equation of a line and 2 points are given. So first, let's say y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of line. All right. First, find m. Write the formula for m. It is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now right, what is y2? 5 minus y1 is minus 1 over x2 is 3 minus x1 is 0. So it will become 5 plus 1 over 3. 6 over 3 is 2. So the value of m is 2. This value of m put here, we will get y is equal to 2x plus c. Now to find c, what you have to do, take any one of the points. Okay, I'm going to take this point. This is 0 minus 1. This is x, this is y. So put it here. It will be minus 1 equal to 2 into 0 plus c. So c is equal to minus 1. So when c is minus 1, put this value of c here. That will become your equation of the line, 2x minus 1. That's it. So hopefully you got the same result. Okay. Now, for this question, can you please rejoin the link? So then we will do this type of a question. Please rejoin the link.